6-inch 18:9 or 2:1 aspect ratio Full HD Plus display which comes at 1080p and is covered with a 2.5D glass. Above the display is a 24 megapixel selfie camera with dual flash. We also have the proximity and ambient light sensors on the front, and between the flash and the camera is the call speaker. To the right of the phone we have our volume rockers and a texture power button, and we also have the dual SIM and micro SD card tray on the same side. There's nothing to the left and the top of the phone, and at the bottom we have our external speaker grill, micro USB charging port, a hole for the microphone, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Flipping to the back of the device, we have a 16 megapixel rear camera with ring flash and a fingerprint scanner as well. The fingerprint scanner is centered at the back of the phone to provide quick access into the phone, and when you'd rather not use the fingerprint scanner, there's the option of using the Face ID scan to get into the device. The Face ID scan works most of the time, and when you are in the dark, you can use the screen light up feature to enable face recognition to work. I'll be testing these features out in my full review, so subscribe to my channel to stay updated when that video drops. In terms of build quality, the Camon X Pro sports a plastic unibody build that's well designed and is thankfully not a fingerprint magnet. The black version I have here sports some gold accents around the device which makes it look premium. I tried on the included 2-piece plastic case and it fit the phone quite snugly. This case however may provide you with some scratch proofing, but I doubt if it will help much in drop protection. This phone also does not come with waterproofing, so don't go swimming with this device. Tecno Camon X Pro ships with Android 8.1 out of the box, which is quite impressive coming from Tecno. I've installed the Pixel launcher and app shortcuts and other features native to Android Oreo works flawlessly here. Split screen multitasking also works very well here with the huge screen. Although the screen is 6 inches, it doesn't feel that way due to the elongated aspect ratio. The device can be to an extent managed with just one hand. I found the colors on the 1080p IPS display to be quite saturated and sharp. Video play on YouTube was also capped at 1080p videos. You'd get black bars on both sides of a video you're watching on YouTube due to the 18:9 aspect ratio display, but you also have the option of pinching to have your video fill out the whole screen, resulting in a much more immersive view, but mind you, a bit of the video will be cropped out for this to happen. The Tecno Camon X Pro's performance is great for a mid-range device. It packs a 2 GHz 8-core MediaTek 6763 chipset, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage expandable to 256 GB. It also packs a 3750 mAh battery that lasts you a whole day of moderate to heavy use. The device also comes with 11 sensors on board, including an accelerometer, a gyroscope, proximity, light, and gravity sensor. With regards to connectivity, the Camon X Pro features Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and also works on the GSM WCDMA and 4G LTE networks. The rear-facing 16 megapixel camera produces saturated photos with fine details. In a couple of the pictures I took with the rear camera, I was really impressed as it produced photos with rich, vibrant colors. The primary camera has 5 modes including video, normal, beauty, panorama, and super pixel. The super pixel mode for one produces very sharp images, although you have to hold the camera really steady to achieve decent shots. You're limited to a maximum of 1080p video recording on this device, and you are allowed to take pictures with the following aspect ratios: 1:1, 4:3, 16:9 and 18:9 aspect ratios. You also have HDR on board, and unfortunately, the camera does not come with Pro mode that allows you control the fine details on your settings like the ISO and white balance. The front-facing camera has a 24 megapixel sensor that allows you to take fairly decent selfies in normal mode. It also has a beauty mode that has a skin smoothing feature that is adjustable, and you also have the option to take portrait shots. I wasn't able to capture a lot of portrait shots in the time I've had this device, but again, let's leave it up to the full review where I'll do an in-depth look at the portrait mode on this front-facing camera. The Tecno Camon X Pro is a compelling device with a 6-inch 1080p 18:9 aspect ratio display and Android Oreo under the hood. It's also good looking for those who are interested in having a good looking phone. This phone comes in 2 variants, the Camon X and the Camon X Pro. The Camon X is expected to sell for 58,000 naira, which translates to about $160, and the Camon X Pro should sell between 65,000 and 75,000 naira. If you would like to buy the Camon X or the Camon X Pro, Pre-orders start on the 9th of April 2018. I'll leave updated infos on all of these details in the description section. And thanks for watching this one, guys. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you loved it, hit the subscribe button. Until next time, peace.